Hey everyone, welcome to this complete KuCoin tutorial for beginners in 2026. If you're new to crypto or just getting started with exchanges, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step so you can confidently sign up, secure your account, deposit funds, trade, explore advanced features, earn passive income, and manage your assets safely on KuCoin. This is a full guide designed to take you from zero to pro without any prior experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, why KuCoin? KuCoin is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, trusted by over 40 million users across more than 200 countries. It offers access to over 1,000 digital assets, spot trading, futures with high leverage, trading bots, staking, lending, an NFT marketplace, and much more. It's known for listing new tokens early, having competitive fees, and strong security features like proof of reserves. Whether you want to buy your first Bitcoin or dive into complex strategies, KuCoin has tools for every level. But remember, always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose, because the crypto market is volatile. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the official KuCoin website at KuCoin.com. You'll see a clean homepage with options to sign up or log in. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can register using your email address or mobile phone number. Let's use email for this example. Enter a valid email, create a strong password with at least 8 characters mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. Agree to the terms of service after reading them carefully. Complete the captcha and verify your email by entering the code sent to your inbox. That's it. Your basic account is created in under a minute. Once logged in, the first priority is security. Head to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right and selecting security. Enable two-factor authentication right away using Google Authenticator or another authenticator app. Download the app on your phone, scan the QR code KuCoin provides, and enter the verification code. This adds a huge layer of protection. Next, set up a separate trading password, which you'll use for withdrawals and certain trades. Turn on anti-phishing codes, so every official email from KuCoin includes a unique code you can verify. If you're mobile, enable biometric login, like fingerprint or Face ID, for quick and secure access. Also, consider binding a YubiKey for even stronger hardware protection. Taking these steps now can save you from headaches later. KuCoin has a solid track record with security, including full recovery from past incidents and regular proof of reserves audits, but personal vigilance is key. After security, complete your KYC or Know Your Customer verification. This is mandatory for most features like higher withdrawal limits and full access. Go to the verification section in your account. You'll need a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, plus a selfie. The process is quick and usually approved within minutes to hours. KYC 1 unlocks decent limits, while advanced verification boosts them further for serious traders. With KYC done, you're ready to fund your account. There are several ways to deposit on KuCoin. The easiest for beginners is buying crypto directly with fiat. Click on Buy Crypto or the Express section. You can use credit or debit cards through third-party providers like Banksa, Simplex, or MoonPay. Select your currency, enter the amount, choose the crypto you want like Bitcoin or USDT, and follow the prompts. Fees are reasonable, around 1 to 4% depending on the method. For cheaper options, use P2P trading. Go to the P2P section, filter by your local currency and payment methods like bank transfer, mobile money, or even cash in some regions. Browse offers from verified merchants, select one with good ratings, and complete the trade with escrow protection. KuCoin holds the crypto until you confirm payment. If you already hold crypto in another wallet, use on-chain deposits. Click on Assets in the top menu, then Deposit. Search for the coin, select the correct network such as ERC20 for Ethereum-based tokens, TRC20 for cheaper Tron transfers, or others like Solana or Polygon. Copy the deposit address or scan the QR code and send from your external wallet. Make sure the network matches exactly to avoid losing funds. Deposits usually credit after the required confirmations, which vary by blockchain. For Bitcoin, it might take a bit longer, while stablecoins on fast networks are near instant. Always double-check addresses and start with a small test transaction if you're unsure. Once funds are in your main account, transfer them to the appropriate sub-account for trading. KuCoin separates balances: main for deposits and withdrawals, trading for spot, futures for derivatives, and margin for leveraged spot. Go to Assets, select Transfer, choose the source and destination, enter the amount and confirm. It's instant and free. Now you're ready to trade. Let's start with spot trading, the most straightforward for beginners. Navigate to the trade section and select spot. You'll see a full trading view chart in the center, order book on the right, and order panel below or on the side. Search for a pair like BTC/USDT. The chart shows price history with candlesticks. You can switch timeframes from 1 minute to weekly, add indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, or draw trend lines. The order book displays buy and sell orders, giving you a sense of market depth. To place your first order, decide on market or limit. A market order executes immediately at the current price. Enter the amount of USDT or the quantity of BTC you want to buy, review the fees, and click Buy. Limit orders let you set a specific price. For example, if BTC is at $60,000 and you want to buy at $59,000, set that price and quantity. The order sits until the market hits it or you cancel. There are advanced types too, like stop limit for risk management. Stop orders trigger when price hits a certain level, perfect for protecting profits or limiting losses. OCO orders combine take profit and stop loss in one. Practice with small amounts first. KuCoin has low fees, starting at 0.1% for spot, with discounts if you hold KCS, the native token. Maker orders that add liquidity get even better rates. Watch your trade history at the bottom to track fills. KuCoin's interface is intuitive on both web and mobile app. Download the app from the official site or stores for on-the-go trading. The app mirrors the desktop experience with push notifications for price alerts. Moving on to futures trading, which allows leverage for potentially higher returns but also higher risks. Go to Futures from the trade menu. KuCoin offers USDT margined and coin margined perpetual contracts with up to 125 times leverage on majors like BTC. Start in demo mode if available to practice with virtual funds. Transfer USDT to your futures account first. Select a contract, set leverage in the order panel, choose cross or isolated margin. Isolated limits risk to that position. Place long or short orders with market, limit, or conditional types. Monitor positions, funding rates which settle every 8 hours, and use stop loss religiously. Leverage amplifies moves, so a small percentage against you can liquidate positions fast. Beginners should stick to low leverage, like 2 to 5 times, and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. KuCoin also has margin trading for spot with up to 10 times leverage. Similar process, but funds come from the lending market with variable borrow rates. Be mindful of interest. One of KuCoin's standout features is trading bots, great for beginners who want automation. Go to the trading bot section. Popular options include grid bots that buy low and sell high within a range, DCA bots for dollar cost averaging, and futures grid bots. Set parameters like price range, grids, investment amount, and let it run. Bots can work 24/7 without emotion. Backtest strategies first using historical data. There are also copy trading features where you follow top traders' strategies automatically. Browse leaderboards, check performance metrics, allocate funds, and mirror their trades. This is excellent for learning while earning. For passive income, explore KuCoin Earn. Head to the Earn section for flexible savings, fixed terms, staking, and lending. Stake popular coins for rewards or lend USDT for daily interest. Rates vary but are competitive. KuCoin Launchpad or Spotlight lets you participate in new token sales. Hold KCS for potential allocation benefits and fee discounts. KCS itself offers daily bonuses from platform revenue shares to holders. Buy some KCS, keep it in your main account, and earn passively. Don't forget the Web3 wallet integration for decentralized activities, NFT marketplace for collecting or trading digital art, and Convert tool for quick swaps without full trading. KuCoin Pay for payments, and even a Ku card in supported regions for spending crypto like fiat. Now, let's talk withdrawals. When you're ready to cash out, go to Assets and Withdraw. Select the coin, enter the external wallet address, choose Network, Amount, and confirm with your trading password and 2FA. Fees depend on the network and are shown upfront. Withdrawals have daily limits based on your KYC level. For fiat, use P2P or sell to stablecoins first, then withdraw. Always verify addresses and start small. Security reminders throughout. Never share your private keys, 2FA codes, or passwords. Use strong, unique passwords, enable all available protections, and be wary of phishing. KuCoin won't ask for sensitive info via unsolicited messages. Monitor your account activity regularly. As you grow comfortable, explore more like ETFs, leverage tokens for amplified exposure without managing margin, or the converter for simple exchanges. Join KuCoin's community on socials for updates, but verify everything through official channels. The platform evolves, so check announcements for new features, fee changes, or listings. Trading on KuCoin can be rewarding, but success comes from education, risk management, and patience. Use stop losses, diversify, stay informed on market news, and never chase pumps. Track your portfolio in the Assets overview with performance charts. Set price alerts for your favorite coins. This has been a comprehensive step-by-step guide to KuCoin in 2026. From sign-up to advanced bots and earning, you now have the knowledge to start safely. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions or what you'd like covered next. Remember to do your own research and trade wisely. Thanks for watching and happy trading. See you in the next video. To expand on common beginner mistakes, one big one is sending to the wrong network. Always confirm. Another is forgetting to transfer funds between accounts before trading, or over-leveraging in futures leading to quick liquidations. Ignore hype and FOMO. Use demo modes extensively. For taxes, KuCoin provides transaction history exports to help with reporting. Keep records. Diving deeper into charts. Learn candlestick patterns like doji for indecision, hammers for reversals. Combine with volume and indicators. For example, RSI above 70 might signal overbought, good for potential sells, but no indicator is foolproof. Backtest strategies. On fees, spot maker 0.025 to 0.1, taker higher. Futures similar with VIP tiers based on volume or KCS holdings. Holding KCS gives 20% discount and more. Calculate break-evens accordingly. P2P tips. Choose merchants with high completion rates, trade during your local business hours, communicate clearly, and release crypto only after payment confirmation. For mobile users, the app supports all core functions plus exclusive features like quick buys and biometric security. Notifications keep you updated on deposits, trades, and market moves. Exploring altcoins, KuCoin shines here with Innovation Zone for new projects. Research thoroughly, check tokenomics, team, utility, and community before investing. Use the built-in converter or swap tools. Futures advanced. Understand funding rates to avoid surprises on long holds. Use trailing stops to lock profits. Position sizing is crucial. Calculate based on account size and risk tolerance. Earn products details. Flexible allows anytime withdrawal with variable APY. Fixed locks for higher yields. Staking varies by coin, some with lock periods. Lending lets you supply liquidity for interest. Bots customization. Adjust grid density for volatility. Set take profit stops. Monitor performance metrics like profit rate and drawdown. Combine bots for diversified portfolios. Copy trading. Review trader stats like win rate, profit factor, max drawdown. Allocate percentages wisely and diversify across several. NFTs and Web3. Connect wallet, browse collections, buy or list. Participate in DeFi via integrated dApp browser. Overall portfolio management. Use the dashboard for overview, set goals, rebalance periodically. KuCoin tools help visualize performance. This wraps up our massive guide. With around 20,000 characters of detailed walkthrough, you should feel fully equipped. Practice on small scales, learn continuously, and build your crypto journey one step at a time. Stay safe out there.